Okay, okay, okay. So today I will teach you all a library called JQuery. It's a very famous library. Uh, it's first of all, I want to say JQuery means JavaScript because you can see the letter J. Letter J is there, so we are saying it as JQuery. So JQuery means JavaScript because the letter is J. Also, you will see something called XQuery. XQuery means XML because the first letter is X, right? So like that only that library they have specialized. So that is called jQuery. So why they want to introduce this library? That is what I want to teach you all today. Why this jQuery library they have introduced? What is the purpose? So for that only I came to teach you all today. So when there is JavaScript, why we need jQuery? So that is the question you all might be having. So, okay, so what I want to teach you the first basic thing, why we want a jQuery. What reason we want. First of all, what I will do, I will take you all to the library. So first let's go to I'll go to the browser. So we'll go to the browser. I will open the browser. And I will just search for jQuery. Very simple. Just search jQuery. Just type it and enter. I will be going to the link. Here you can see the link. My mouse pointer is there. Just click on that. So when you click on that, you will go to the library. This is the jQuery library. Then simply go to this download jQuery. Now the latest version is 3.7.1. Just click on this jQuery download link. After that, you'll be seeing this, some links are there. So here you will see this compressed is there and uncompressed is there. So whatever you can download, nothing to worry. So just I will, so what is the difference between these two? This is production. Production means they have already fully completed. That is the latest stable version, production. Development means that is the unstable version. Unstable means time to time. Whatever they develop, they will release. So that is called development version. So best to take the previous stable version. But the development version is also okay, that you will get the very latest. Whatever they have developed, you will get it. So that is the difference between those two links. So what I will do, I'll just click the production. And you can just copy this link. Just copy. Go to your notepad. Right? Make the editor go to language and make it to PHP. Right? Make it to PHP. And no need PHP, sorry. Make it to HTML, right? Let's make HTML. So let's make HTML. Okay. And just simply link this link, what I copied now. Just link it like this. You need the script tag for that. Script tag. And you simply close the script tag like this. And then in the script tag, how we are going to link the JavaScript files, JavaScript library, simply you use this attribute that is called src. Src means source, destination source. So source is equal double quotation. Inside the double quotation, simply paste the link like that. And then you will be getting that, right? So I will be save it. You can save the file. This is how you are linking the library with your file, right? Only one line, single line. Online, you can link the library. Same as Bootstrap, you can download it offline, this jQuery library as well, right? So you're all having the option to get it offline or online, right? So what I will do, I will save this file now. and I will save it in the desktop. Right? I'll save this file in the desktop. So the name is HTML file. It's HTML file. So I will give this in desktop. I'll save it. I will give the name it as test underscore jQuery dot html, right? Is saving it. So just simply go to the desktop, and what you all can do, just double click on it, right? Just double click on it. So y'all can see something, nothing, because it's just linked, that's all. So still I didn't start the work with the library. So first I want to teach you all why we want this jQuery library when J is JavaScript. So this is what I want to teach you all here. This is the first introduction I want to give you. So wait, let it load, let the page load. Okay, so nothing, right? It will not display anything still. So what I will do, I will go to the code and simply put this, I'll simply design the button, right? Just assume, simply design a button. And I will say, okay, click. I'll put the label as click this button to view your message or something. Right, so this is the button. So y'all can see the button now. I'll save this. Just go to the browser, what I opened earlier, and just refresh the page. So y'all can see the button is there. So in JavaScript, what y'all did, in JavaScript, go to the code, what y'all did, when you want to pop up a message, simply we wrote something called on click or something. I think you see like this. We wrote something like this. On click is equal, on double quotation, I told alert something. So this is what I did in JavaScript. So whatever you want to alert 1, 2, 3, 4 or something, you can put like that. Else you can do like something called hello, how are you or something, right? Something or hello, thank you for clicking or something, right? Very simple. Thank you for clicking or something, just alert. On click, when you click, this alert will come. So I'll save this. Now let's see, we'll go to the browser and I will refresh the browser. Always refresh when you do update, always refresh. So I'll press this. And now when you click the button, you are getting this alert. Can you all see the alert? Both can see the alert. Thank you for clicking. Alert is pop up, right? So the message is popped up. Now this is what I have done. I have used the original JavaScript. So I have used the JavaScript, original native JavaScript to pop up this alert. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same task by using this jQuery library, Okay, so how to do that? First of all, let's go to the code. And I will be closing this. Okay, let's go to the code. And instead of, you can see, I have written this on click and this alert, both are in this HTML tag. I have written in this HTML tag. So what I'm going to do, go to the top, open a new script tag first. This is the first task, what I should do. This is the first task. I will close the script tag now. Now in the body of the script tag, first thing what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this symbol, this dollar symbol. This is the symbol that is represent the jQuery library syntaxes. This is the, if you see like this pattern, quickly recognize it's a jQuery pattern, right? When you see this dollar mark and a round bracket, simply recognize, rectify, okay, this is jQuery pattern. This is a pattern of jQuery, right? When you see this symbol with the dollar mark, a round bracket. Now inside this round bracket, first of all, what you have to tell is, tell this document. Document means what? The web page or this HTML code, whatever the page I have opened here, that is called document. So first of all, what should happen? The document should be ready. Then only I can load whatever the things, button or labels or images or video, anything. The document must be ready. The web page should be ready. So that's why the document ready should be on. You can write ready, right? Ready. This is one event. This is the first event which is happening in the browser. Ready, it should be ready. The same event you can write like this also. So no need to worry. The same thing you can write like this also. On, simple in single quotation, like ready, like this also you can write. So no need to worry. There are two ways of writing. This is one way of writing, right? And this is another way of writing. You can just put the name here and just keep this like this. This is another way. This is simple than the previous one, right? So this is easy, like writing like this, right? Okay. So dot ready. There's another thing I want to teach you all. When you are talking about this jQuery library, in every event, now ready is an event. Why? How we are going to recognize it's an event? There is a name and a bracket attached with the name. There's a round bracket. Then it's a name. It's a function. It's a procedure. It's an event. It's an event. So ready is an event. So every event in jQuery library, when you are using the library, every event is handling an anonymous function. Anonymous means a function without a name. That is called anonymous. Every event has an anonymous function. Now you all will see where is the anonymous function in this event. Ready event. I have still not written. Now I'm going to write that. I'll show you how to write the anonymous function. So I will just show you. See what I'm doing. Just simply write the keyword. When you are defining a function, you need the keyword called function like this, because it's anonymous. It's an anonymous function, no name. No name. That is called anonymous function. So write only the brackets because you don't have a name. And start of the function and end of the function. That's all. This is the pattern of jQuery library. In every event, you should write the anonymous function. I'll show you. Now see, whether it's compulsory or not. Why I want to write the anonymous function, I will show you. Now just see, if I didn't write this, just I'll show you. If I didn't write this, just see what is happening, right? If somebody wants to put an alert, just see what's happening. If I put the alert here, right? Just say, hi, thank you for loading the page, right? Because it's a loading part, loading the page, right? Now what's happening? Just see what's happening. If I save this and if I go to the browser, sorry, not this one. If you go to the browser and refresh, did you all got any alerts? No alerts. So if you just right click, the browser and go to the inspect and check it. See, there's error. Can you all see there's error? What they are telling, what is the error? Go to the console. Go to the console. Here's the console. Can you all see my mouse pointer? This is the console. Go to the console, click it. So you can see syntax error. So syntax error. Now, that is why syntax error means what? Syntax error means that every language has a syntax error. Syntax error means they are checking whether the words are correct, the way what I written, the symbols what I have used are correct according to the JavaScript dictionary. Example, in English, if I'm writing house, I should use HOUSE. If I didn't use HOUSE and I wrote something else, HOXSE, they will say it's wrong. It's not house. It's not according to the English language. That word is not belongs to English language. That is syntax error. Also, when you are writing HOUSE, if the shape of the U is changed, if the shape of the S is changed, if the shape of the E is changed, that is also wrong. That is also wrong. That is syntax errors. The way we have wrote is wrong. That's why I told you all. That's why I told you the reason why I want to write that anonymous function, because of this, right? So now what I will do, what is the solution for this? Very simple. Go to the code. Instead of writing like this at once, what you all can do is simply write like this. Very simple. Just go inside this, just write this function. Because it's anonymous, no name, just put the round bracket and just put this open and close. It start. That's all. Nothing to worry. If you kept like this, it's easy. Then you all can know confusion. Here, see. Now I'm inside the function. Now we all just save it. Just go and see the browser. Just go and see the browser. I'll refresh. Right now, if you right click and see the inspect, can you all see? There's nothing, no errors, no syntax errors. That this is the first thing, first basics I want to teach you all. Every jQuery, when you all are dealing with jQuery language, this is an important important point for all the events. Whatever the events you all are writing in JavaScript, whatever the events you all are using, there is a anonymous name without name, a function without a name is always attached to that event, right? That is what I want to teach you all. The first one. Next point is, now you can put the alert, no need to worry. Now you can put the alert. Simply you go like this, alert, and just say in double quotation, hi, thank you for loading, no, for loading the page. So this is the ready. Ready means loading. The page is loading. That is the ready function do, the ready event do, right? So just if you see, when you just save this, now just go and load the page. You all can see the alert. So now it's working, right? Now it's working. That's why I told this ready means loading. The page is loading. First, the page should load, no? Then only the button, label, everything will be displayed, no? So the page loading is ready. Ready means that one. Okay, now that is clear. The next point is, after the page load, only these buttons are displayed. This button, whatever the button I designed will be displayed after the page load, until you will not see that, right? So what you can do simply, go to this. My second step is, see what I'm doing. My second step is, I want to say now that I want to click the button. Where is the button? Line number 13, you will see there is a button. So what you can do, put this symbol like that. This is the symbol of jQuery. Put that symbol. Inside that, put the double quotation. Inside the double quotation, what you can say, write the name of the tag, very simple, button, because you want to click that button. Just put like this, button, right? What I want to do is, I want to click the button. You can see here, on click. This one I have written here now, on click. I want to click the button. So simply put dot click, right? This is what you all should write. Click. I want to click the button. So dot click. Now, same I told, all the events having a anonymous function. So no need to worry. Simply write that function without name, round brackets. That's all, starting and the end. Now you all are inside the button click, right? Now you all are inside the button click. So button click is there. Now you are inside the button click. Now simply what you all can do, simply write the alert now. The alert you can say, the double quotation, hi, thank you for clicking this button, right? Now you all don't need this one. This is no need now, this section. Now we also see what is happening here, right? Now I will be going to the, I have saved it. Let's go to the browser. You will see if I refresh, and now I'm going to click this button. See, hi, thank you for clicking this button, right? So what I want to teach you all here is that comparison between native JavaScript and jQuery library. Using this jQuery library, you can go and see very simple here. You are not going to touch the tag. You are not going to touch the tag. If you touch the tag, you know that tag is what? Tag will be always depend with the script, right? If you are going to write a script in the tag, if you are going to touch the tag, if you are going to write it on all the events, any event name in the tag, that means what? That means we are going to keep the HTML elements, any elements attached with the script. That means like dependencies there, right? We should not keep that dependency. Wherever you write the tag, the script will be staying in another place. This is what jQuery teaches you. You can write earlier native JavaScript. What happens wherever you write the tag, you have to write the JavaScript also with the tag. So tag and the JavaScript is always attached, bond, dependent. That problem is there. But jQuery, when you write this, when you are using jQuery library, the tag is somewhere else. The script and the function JavaScript is somewhere else. So no need to be dependent. Wherever you can write. This is what the importance of using this jQuery library, right? That is the next one I want to teach you all. Another point I want to collect to you all. Okay, and let's see another one. Now, what I will do here, now, okay, now this is, okay. Now, when I want to access a HTML tag, any HTML tag, do I want to write this tag name here? Somebody might have a question. Now, like this example, right? I'll show you another example. Because sometimes you might have two types of button. Like example, Asim will you, there is a button called something called next, right? Sometimes you will write another button that is called previous something, right? Now, might be, no, like the situation might be, right? So like this, if you save, what will happen? Just go to the browser and just refresh the browser. Now, like these two buttons might be there. Now, what will happen? According to my JavaScript, what I have wrote, you can see when you click the next button, also you are getting this message. I thank you for clicking this button. Also, when you click the previous button, also you will get the same message. But the reason? Because I am contacting the button, I am communicating with the button as a general name. Both are buttons. So jQuery doesn't know which button. Only I know, but the jQuery doesn't know. Artificial intelligence. So how to explain this? How to say, okay, this is my next button. This is my previous button. How to tell them? This is how we are going to tell. So I will go to the code simply. And in this button, simply put the ID. ID identifier. We are using IDs for this. Put the ID. Just say this as NXT or something small name. No need to think too much. Next BTN or something, right? Next BTN. Short names, right? And again, next one, another ID for this one. ID is equal. We can say PRVS BTN or something, right? Very simple. So no need to think. Now, what you can do, if you want to say, if you want to refer to the next button, very simple, remove this button tag and say put the ID now. You can put the ID. How to use the ID? How to say I'm going to access the ID with this symbol, hash symbol, hash symbol, hash symbol, NXT, BTN means that is you are referring for the ID. Now this is referring for the next button, right? And if you want to write for the previous button also, what you can do, simply copy the same thing because the code is same. And here, this is for the next button, previous button. You can simply use the, for the previous button, PRVS BTN, right? This is how we are going to refer to each buttons, right? Students, you can use the same password and rejoin, right? Okay, when the session is ending, right? This is how we are referring to this. So now simply whatever you can do, you can simply write one alert to next button, and you can say this one to you can say this to previous button something here, right? And alert, small alert, just to show the difference. So you all can just write this and put anything. I just put two alerts, right? No need to think about